You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 41, creating a bridge meeting through Zoom with stakeholders. Let's move ahead. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. Let's move ahead. We are going to click on Jira Service Management. Under Spaces, we are going to click on NetSoft IT Service Management, and under Incident, we are going to open the incident on which we are working. All users unable to send or receive emails. Okay. Now, scroll down under Details, which is in right panel, and we are going to click on Create Meeting. We'll give the name as Microsoft Exchange Issue. Okay. Select Add Meeting Recording as Internal Note and click on Create. In the middle panel, under Activity, we are going to click on Comments, yes, and then we are going to click on Notify Stakeholder. Select the template, and we are going to use the major incident. Let's copy paste the context. So now I have updated the email body, and then we'll click on Send Email. Okay. Email sent to stakeholders. Now let's send an additional note or add an internal note. Okay. Let's do one thing. Before that, we will copy invite link. And we are going to click on Add Internal Note. Let's first add this somewhere. Okay. Now let's add the context of mail, a major incident. Here we need to give meeting link, which we'll copy from here. Again, okay, so we have added over here. We will remove it from here. Okay, so now we are going to click on Save. We have bridge link over here, right? If I you see, with this we have provided a Zoom link. In this lab, what we did, we have created a bridge, we have shared a bridge detail with stakeholder, as well as we have provided it to our team. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.